what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Hey guys, Infinity here. Infinity right here, and today I'm doing the remake of What If Goku and Vegeta Wish Back Their Families Part 1. Now, I'm gonna change a few things around, and I'm doing it with the picture this time. I'm doing that because the sound quality in the last one was pretty bad. And now, let's get on with it. This is a few days after when Goku killed King Cold and Trunks killed Mecha Frieza. Yeah, Trunks killed Mecha Frieza. Sorry guys, this is just really all new to me. I need to get stuff handled. Yep. So we see Vegeta with all 7 Dragon Balls. Goku goes up. Hey Vegeta, what are you doing with the Dragon Balls? Ah, damn Kakarot, you startled me. Sorry. Do you mind explaining to me what are you doing with the 7 Dragon Balls? I'm gonna wish back my dad. Oh, okay. Hey Kakarot, that reminds me. That gives me a great idea. Why don't you wish back your dad? Okay. Goku and Vegeta walk up to the mighty dragon Shinwan, and they both said that they wanted to wish back their fathers. Your wish is granted. You have one wish left. Vegeta says, I wish for them both to be teleported here. Your wish is granted. Bye-bye. Shinwan disappears and the 7 Dragon Balls spread around the earth. Bardock and King Vegeta are surprised to find themselves lying and on a prospering planet. They sense power levels, and all of them are weak. But then their scouters pick up 2 power levels that are rising as they get closer. Rising until they both break under the enormous pressure of both Goku and Vegeta's power level. Well, then Goku and Vegeta show up in front of Bardock and King Vegeta. Kakarot, is that you? My son? You're alive? Yes, Dad, I am alive. Hey, you look just like me. You must be my dad. You're only 3 years old when me and your mother saw you last. That reminds me, why me and King Vegeta here? Well, we wished you back with the 7 Dragon Balls. I see. Of course, both of them. Of course, Vegeta takes his dad to go see his family. Then Goku takes Bardock to go see his family. First, let's go with Goku. Goku shows up with Bardock. Chi-Chi comes out yelling at him because Gohan's studying, and all that, she sees Bardock and says, huh? Who's that, Goku? Chi-Chi, this is my dad. Chi-Chi, no, sorry, I can't even. Chi-Chi, this is my father. Of course, Bardock is weirded out that Goku's wife is an Earthling. Goku's wife is an Earthling, yeah. Of course he bees nice. And says hello to Chi-Chi. Goku yells out for Gohan, which Gohan comes out to see two people who look just like Dad. Who's that man standing next to you? And why does he look like you? Goku kneels down to Gohan and says, "Buddy, this is your grandfather." Bardock is surprised that him having an Earthling could have such a strong hybrid. Of course, Goku being Goku, he asks his dad if he would like to spar. Of course, Bardock says yes to see how far his son has gotten in power. Goku asks Gohan if he would like to train. He gets all excited and says yes, because this is a chance to train with his father and his grandfather. Of course, Chi-Chi reluctantly says no, he needs to study. Come on, Chi-Chi. Let the boy, let him come with us. Let him come with us for a few hours. He'll do all his studying when he gets back. You like hearing that? Hearing that, Chi-Chi knows that this is gonna be some excellent father-son bonding time for Goku and Gohan, and for Goku and Bardock. They all train. Of course, Bardock is surprised that Bardock, being Bardock, he doesn't overpower his son at first. His son Goku knocks him to the ground. Then Gohan comes in and tries to attack Goku. Of course, Goku just dodges and blocks everything. He dodges and Gohan just goes straight at Bardock. Bardock is surprised that Gohan can keep his own against Goku. Then Gohan beats Dex Bardock down to the ground hard. At this point, Bardock is getting frustrated that he's weaker than his own son, and even his own grandson. He gets so enraged and frustrated, he turns into a Super Saiyan. And of course he decks Gohan, knocking him out. Goku transforms into a Super Saiyan, and the battle of Super Saiyans begin. They both go into it. They almost seem evenly matched. Goku at 50. Goku with them both going all out. Bardock proves out his statement, raises his power higher through rage and anger, and then punches Goku so hard that he goes flying through his own house. And Chi-Chi starts yelling off her chops. Now, meanwhile, over in Capsule Cove, Vegeta and King Vegeta have met Bulma and all that. And they met Bulma and all that. They've got introductions that way. Vegeta and King Vegeta go into the gravity changer. The time thing's normal Earth gravity. they train until they notice this spike in power from both Goku and Bardock. They see what's going on, and then when they get there, they see Gohan knocked out, Chi-Chi yelling, and Bardock and Goku both in Super Saiyan form. King Vegeta is stunned and frustrated that two lower class Saiyans have surpassed him and his own son in power. I'm just thinking about this on the fly. They fight for hours on end. Until they both collapse from exhaustion, falling to the ground and exiting out of their Super Saiyan form. Goku just starts laughing. Wow, Dad, you really are something. But I'll surpass you. Don't worry. Bardock says, I would love to see you try, boy. They both see Gohan knocked out a second later. Rushed to his aid, but he's fine. Chi-Chi walks in and starts yelling at him. Bardock and Goku are both scared of Chi-Chi. Meanwhile, that's going on. Both King Vegeta and Vegeta have been training in the hyperbolic training in the gravity chamber. Gravity chamber. Yeah. And then after their training, the King Vegeta asks Vegeta what happened to his Royal Saiyan armor. That stuff was outdated, Dad. This armor is new and improved. I see. And of course, everything happens as normal. Baby Trunks is born. Trunks comes back from the future. Warns Goku about the heart virus, gives him the medicine and all that. And that they should train for 3 years in preparation for the androids. And all that. But during those years, well, after a year, Bardock tells Goku that Bardock asks Goku where Raditz is. Goku's a bit shocked to hear what happened to Raditz. In Otherworld. What? Who sent him there? Me and Piccolo. What? Why? He was your elder brother. Well, he kidnapped Gohan and tried to blow up the planet. I see. So why don't we go wish him back? What do you mean by them? Your mother and brother, of course. You stupid head. Oh, okay. They both fly to Capricorn, get the Dragon Raid off Bulma. Goku grabs Bardock's shoulder, puts his hand on this one. What are you? The instant transmission rate to the first Dragon Ball and Bardock continues doing. What happened just now? Instant transmission, Dad. I learned it from people off on a planet called Yardrat. I see. They're both instant transmissions of 7 Dragon Balls. Once they got to the 7th, they picked it up and instant transmissioned back to Mount Paozu where they lived. They summoned Shinwan and ask him to wish back Gene and Raditz. Your wish is granted. Because you wish back 2 people, you have 1 wish left. Bardock says to teleport them to Mount Paozu. Your wish is granted. I'll be going now. Like normal, Shinron disappears and the 7 Dragon Balls go bye-bye and disable for 1 year. And with that happening, Bardock runs up to Bardock and hugs him. Then she notices Goku. Kakarot? What are you doing here? Hey, Mom. While with Raditz, he's surprised why he's back and yells out, "What? Why am I back?" Huh? Raditz? You're back here too? Yeah. Back here too? So you were nice enough to wish me back, brother. Well, actually, it was Dad's idea. Raditz. Then Raditz finally knows his father. And he's surprised to see his father. And asks, what is he doing here? Why was the idea to wish me and Mom back? Because Kakarot wished me back first. Along with Vegeta wishing back his father. Oh, okay. Of course, Goku introduces his mother and his mother to his family, and properly introduces Raditz to Chi-Chi and Gohan. Of course, Gohan is happy that he has grandparents, especially one to train with. Chi-Chi is thrilled that she has another girl to talk to about Goku and Bardock's training behavior. And they're a little bit skeptical of Raditz, but they slowly accept him over time. And of course I continue training for the 3 years. And now it's time for the androids to arrive. What will happen? Will Vegeta and King Vegeta get Super Saiyan? Will Bardock destroy Android 20 and 19 before Vegeta and King Vegeta show up? How will Raditz help in this situation? Well, find out next time. Later.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be